Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Audi A4. This section identifies potential problems, causes, and fixes based on the experiences of owners and repairers. Only sources and technical services bulletins. This information is provided solely for reference purposes, and Australian Car Reviews recommends that only properly qualified persons carry out repairs or modifications. Furthermore, the number of items identified below shouldn't be taken as an indicator of a model's reliability or the frequency with which they may occur. To report a problem or fault to the Australian Car Reviews team, please use the Contact Us form. Note that the Australian Car Reviews doesn't offer advice on automotive problems or disputes. Such inquiries will not receive a reply. For vehicles purchased from dealers after 1st January 2011, please see our Australian consumer law fact sheet. Audi B6 A4 Multitronic Emergency Running Mode and DTCS. In May 2007, Audi issued technical service built-in 2012-154-8 for 2002-05. Audi B6 A4 vehicles with 01J continuously variable transmission CVT as Audi as Multitronic in these vehicles. The malfunction indicator light MIL may illuminate. The vehicle may enter emergency running mode with gear indicator illumination inverted and diagnostic trouble codes 17090P0706. The transmission range sensor circuit range performance or 18201 P1793. Output speed sensor to circuit no signal may be issued. If either of the above diagnostic trouble codes DTCS were locked, the transmission control module must be replaced. 2001-02 Audi B6 A4 moisture may enter brake servo. In 2010, Audi UK issued a non-code action for Audi B6 A4 vehicles that were manufactured from 1st March 2001 to 30 April 2002 for affected Audi A4 vehicles. Moisture could enter the brake servo NCA to 2010-006. Problems and faults. Audi B6 A4. The anti-lock braking system ABS may activate unnecessarily under normal to light braking pressure due to cracks in tone exciter rings, springs on the outer CV shaft that measure wheel rotation. When the oil filter is removed, the oil cooler is susceptible to turning. This may damage the coolant lines and cause a coolant leak. Water may leak into a wiring harness near the A-pillar, causing problems with the remote central locking. Power windows issuing a door jar warning when the doors are shut and the interior lights staying on. For the 1.8-liter turbocharged petrol engine, the throttle body control valve may sludged up, causing a very low or uneven idle. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.